In this video, we're going to show you how to take your 6-volt Power Wheels from slow to go.
You're watching Modern Tom Sawyer.
Let's make it faster! Go!
Before tackling this project, there's a few things you're going to need. The first is a 12-volt battery. In my case, I bought a 12-volt 12Ah battery. This one, and this is what's important that you have to look for, is that it's a non-spillable sealed lead acid battery. If you use a normal 12-volt battery, like one out of a car, there's a possibility that the acid could spill and hurt your kids. The next thing I bought is an inline fuse holder with a 30 amp fuse. You can purchase these at any auto parts store. And then while I was at the auto parts store, I got a little box of assorted quick disconnects. This is what's going to connect to your battery, and so you just want to get one that will match up to whatever battery you purchase. The last thing you might need is just a little bit of wire. You might be able to get by without it, but I'm going to use some just to make sure that both wires are the same length. Okay, the first thing we want to do is just cut some extra wire to the same length as the inline fuse. So I'm going to have it right to there. Tipton. We're going to let my son cut it for us. Can you cut it? There you go. Cut, cut, cut. So now we have a piece of wire that's about the same length as the inline fuse, and that'll keep both my wires the same length. Now we're going to grab the old battery.
What about this?
And Noble, this is my son Noble. What he's going to do is he's going to cut both of these wires right in the middle. You only want to cut one wire at a time. So let's just cut one wire at a time. Alright, there's one. Here, let me have it.
It just do when we did two.
Yeah, no. There's one. And now you can cut the other wire. There, Noble. In the exact same spot. There, right there. Squeeze real hard. Woo! So it may not be the best idea to have your kids cut those. Lesson learned.
One of these. There.
Now it's cut. Okay. Now we're going to strip some wire off of these so that we have plenty.
Are you okay, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm okay. Now we'll strip some wire off this one.
Can I try?
This is hard. This is something for Daddy to do because it's kind of hard to strip wire. There are a lot of different ways that you can make your wire connections. One thing you can do is just wire nut things together. Another thing you could do, if you don't even have that, is twist things together and use some black electrical tape around it. You could use these type of wire connectors. These are crimp connectors. Or you could do what I'm about to do, and I'm going to use some shrink tubing and solder my connections together. The wire with the fuse is going to go to the white wire, which is the positive side. The wire without the fuse is going to go to the black wire, which is the negative side. Here's my solder joint. I can't get it in focus. I don't know if you can see it good or not, but then what I'll end up doing is just covering this up with the shrink wrap like that, and I'll heat shrink it, and that'll be a really good strong connection. Now I just shrink this with a heat gun. You could also use a hair dryer. On the other end, it's gonna go these little connections. First thing I need to do is just make sure I've got the ones that fit. And yeah, that looks like it's gonna go right on there. Double check to make sure that they're both the same size. Yep. These are crimp style, so I'm gonna crimp them on the I just take this special crimping pliers, put it in there where it needs to be, and crimp it down. And the hope is that now this can't come out, and it can't. So that's one crimp done. Now I'll do the other one. Don't forget to put a 30 amp fuse inside your fuse holder. Okay, the next thing that's important is actually being able to fit the battery into your race car.
Yeah.
In our Corvette, we're going to need to remove this piece right here. So Noble, can you do that for me?
Yes, sir. Which way do I go?
Okay, so you need to take that one out and that one out.
Which way?
You're gonna go just like that way. No, other way. There you go. One out. Good job, son. It's the other one. Other way. Future auto mechanic. Good job. Alright, now with that out of the way, we're hoping that this big battery will fit in there somehow. So let's see what we got. It's a little too wide to go that way. Maybe we can fit it like that. So we just figured out that we're not going to actually have to make any cuts to the car body. You can see the hood's on there perfectly right now. And then I'll take it off and the battery's going to just sit in there like that. Luckily it's a sealed battery, so I don't really have to worry about it leaking out, even though it's not perfectly flat. Alright, so we're going to start making the connections.
Does it go this way?
Yep, just like that. Push it real hard. It's going to be... There you go. Oh yeah, you're strong. Good job. You got it. Good job. Good job.
I hit more harder when I did that.
Oh really? Because it was so tough, huh?
Yeah. You know why I can do it? Like a big, strong, mighty man.
Yeah, a big, strong, mighty man.
Now what? How will we?
Now I just need to put these on.
Can I do those?
You can try to help me right here. So this one's gonna go right there. Hold on, let me get it straight and started. Okay, now you wanna push it on?
Yeah.
Alright, good job, you got it. Alright, Tipton, don't hit the gas pedal.
Can I do the next one?
Yeah, can I get it started and then you put it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then press a bubble. I can't do it.
Yeah, it's hard.
That one is easier.
Now, okay, hit the gas pedal one time. We're just gonna do a quick thing to see if it works. Okay. Alright. Wow.
It's done?
It sounded powerful, didn't it? Oh, wait, moving backwards. Go the other way. There we go. Peeling out. It's peeling out, ain't it? Oh, a lot faster. So much faster. Oh, that made it a lot better. That thing's doing burnouts. Woo! Oh, that's cool. It's fast now. Like a proper race car. Yeah, you have a race?
Yeah.
All right. On your marks. Get set. Go! 12 volt versus 6 volt. And of course the 12 volt truck is pulling ahead by a long shot. Whoa. But the vet's doing pretty good. It's keeping traction in the grass. I'm happy with it. And there's gonna be a crash. Oh, somebody's a sore loser. Somebody's a sore loser. Get ready. Get set. Go! The Corvette did a burnout off the line. Didn't have good traction, but he's trying to make it around. It's a hot race. He's making a good catch up on him. Oh, the Corvette's pulling out in the lead. Woo! And it was a tie.
We both win.
You both win.
And my money is
Ain't working? Hey, look. Oh, wire came loose. Yeah, we're having slight problems with the wire coming loose every once in a while, but that shouldn't be too bad. It's a fix. You got it?
We're a kids adventure channel that does a lot of wild and crazy things to encourage kids to get outside. We need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized. So if this video helped you, please click subscribe. Thank you.
Man.